Hi guys, good morning or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. I'm going to meet a very good makeup artist in Lagos, Nigeria. I want to get my makeup done by somebody else. I'm tired of doing my makeup myself. I want to see how I can transform. I want to just see what I can look like after she does my makeup. So I'll be meeting with her in a few minutes. Right now I'm just waiting in my car because today is Thursday, sanitation in Lagos, and I forgot that most stores don't open till 10:30 or 11 thereabouts. So I'm gonna have to wait for her until she's out. Yeah, but then while I'm waiting, I want to look for something that I can snack on, maybe nuts or any other thing that's nice. So let me go get something. You know, it's all about hair and makeup. We're starting with my hair. I'm having this amazing hairstylist style my hair for me. I'm wearing a frontal, so she's putting the cap to create a skin-like effect on my head, while the makeup artist shapes my eyebrow. She's going to continue with the lane of the frontal. So she's applying the glue to my forehead area close to where that skin-like cap is on. She put 3 layers of that glue before she pressed on, laid the frontal to my head. Yeah. So guys, instead of voicing over this video, I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch it because the entire process is pretty much self-explanatory. By just looking at what they are doing, you can learn from what they are doing. Yeah. So don't forget, let me know your thoughts on how you think the makeup and the hair turned out. Would you rate the makeup a 10 over 10, or would you rate the hair styling, the entire hair and makeup look, a 10 over 10 or a 9 over 10 or 8 over 10? Let me know what you think should have been better. But for me, wait to the end to find out my final thoughts on how everything came out. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've not been seeing anything since. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. I made a mistake keeping that phone for all along because I was not seeing anything. Guys, this is one of the best hair and makeup looks I have had on in my life. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section if you've seen better looks on me. Like, I love the way my hair and makeup turned out. It was so beautiful, so beautiful. My jewelry is from Ife's Jewels. The big I'm wearing is ENL Beauty Hair, styled by House of Areta, makeup by Bella Divas. Thank you.